Yeah, so Medical some few weeks now has been, venting on social media, ranting, writing emotional statements, on social media. It has to do with his life journey. Medical has been saying that he has not found it easy at all. People think that he just woke up and he just came. No, according to him, he has really, really struggled in life and he owes everything to God. Okay, guys, so welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on TGH TV. As I always say, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to subscribe button, so that anytime you drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so Medical is in the news, and this time around he's actually documenting his life journey, how it started for him and where he has got to so far. Yeah, so Medical dropped a snippet of a video on a social media platform, especially on Twitter, where in a video you could see for the first time Medical actually showed the face of his baby Island, and also how he actually took his baby, and also we're saying some few words of encouragement, how God has been grateful to him, how life has been. It has not been easy. He doesn't call himself a superstar and a whole lot of things. I really, really admire Medical's humility, guys. It's not easy for somebody to attain such a status in society and still be humble, guys. Kudos to Medical. He also went to the extreme, by saying that or remembering his Odogono days. Medical attended Odogono Senior High Schools, and he was saying that when he was in school, a teacher actually wrote on his paper or in his book or report or what have you, saying that he's a bad boy and that he will never make it and there's no room for improvement and all that. He actually wrote it for Medical to take it home or take it to his parents. And guys, Medical said that he wonder what or how that teacher is feeling, or is feeling watching him or seeing the heights he has actually attained. Okay, guys, watch the video and don't forget to also drop your comments in the comment section below.
This be what I always do talk. When God got plans for you, don't rush it. Just wait. At his own time, he's going to make sure he puts you at a certain place or a certain level. You're not at that level right now because you're not supposed to be there. And then it's time. Everything is time. It takes patience, persistence, and hard work. I don't call myself a superstar because I'm not at the level I want to be. I know God is going to put me there, but I'm grateful for who I am, where I'm at right now. But I put everything in the hands of the Lord because he knows what he's doing. Trust me. The teacher once wrote in my report card, he is a very bad boy. There is no room for improvement. He actually wrote that and gave it to me for me to take home and give to my parents, for them to know or to think their son is a recalcitrant. I wonder what he's doing right now.
Yeah, guys, so I can't wait for the full documentary. I hope you also cannot wait for the full documentary as well, because it seems it's going to really, really reveal a lot. And guys, we really want to know a lot about Medical. Guys, can you drop your comment about this particular documentary, your expectations and all that? What you think will be in there, what you think should be added and all that? Can you drop your comment in the comment section below? Let's get interactive in that. As I always say, if you're new here, can you subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button, so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.